Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make your text change as you scroll in Wix. This scroll effect gives your website a modern and interactive look, making it more engaging for visitors. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser. Once the browser is open, go to wix.com. After that, log into your account. Once we are in Wix, go to the upper left part of the page, click your website, and then go to All Websites. Now, choose the website you want to edit and click Edit Website. Let's wait for it to load. Once it finishes loading, we will focus on the header because we want to add effects or change colors there. To edit the header effects, just click on the upper part. Click Change Behavior. Now, you can choose if you want the header to disappear when you scroll down, stay fixed, move with the page, or fade out. You can also overlap it if you want, depending on your style. This is where you will edit your header. You can change the color depending on what you want. Let's try it out. When you scroll down, let's add the effect so that it disappears. See that? It disappears. If you want to change its color, just choose the fade out option. It will adjust the corners so it fades out. And that's how we create a text color change effect on Scroll in Wix. With this simple customization, your site will feel more dynamic and visually appealing.